Hi, dear Aries. How are you guys doing? So, this is a general reading for Aries Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Okay, and this is a reading from 11th of May till 21st of May. Okay, so we will tap into a partner's energy, your current energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and what to expect from them till 21st of May. Okay, so let me be a little comfortable. Fine. So, Aries. A very warm welcome to you guys, and keep yourself safe in this COVID situation, please. It's getting worse in India, so I hope you guys are doing fine. Okay, so let's see. Aries, your partner's current energy right now. One card just flight. Okay, this is the King of Pentacles energy, Aries. I feel like your partner right now is focused on their own things, their self-care and their business, their work, their luxury. So I feel like right now your person is very much focused on themselves. Okay, this is card of self-care, self-love, self-healing, and this could also mean that they are ready to have a solid commitment, or they are ready to give you some kind of offer. We will clarify this, what they are doing, what is going on behind this scenario. So basically, I feel like right now your partner is in the self-healing mode. Let's clarify the King of Pentacles. Or this could also mean that they are planning to come towards you and offer you something very solid, okay? Because this is King of Pentacles. Once the king made their mind, they are like, yes, this is fixated, okay? They are not going to change it, because king is a very King of Pentacles is very earthy, down to earth energy, and very honest about their feelings. So let's clarify the King of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles, Six of Wands, okay, and Nine of Pentacles. Yes, so I feel like this person was juggling between two situations, okay, in their life. Now they are working on themselves, they are working on their recognition, they are working to make a name in the society, name, fame, and recognition. And they are, see, they are focused on themselves only. This is Nine of Pentacles energy as well, okay? So lots of pentacles are here. So I feel like this person was confused about something in their life. They have now made a decision, or they have two equal choices of something to do in their life, and they want to get name and fame in the society, they want to get recognized by somebody or someone, okay? And they are just working on themselves right now. This is the cards, okay? So this is the story behind this King of Pentacles. They are working on themselves, they are busy doing their own stuff, they are busy doing their own work, okay? Right now this is their energy. All they want from life right now is recognition, some kind of promotion, working very hard, working very hard on something that is very important to them, okay? This is their current energy. Let's see your current energy, Aries, right now. What's your current energy, Aries? So one card just jumped. Judgment. I feel like you are reassessing your life. You are reassessing your past. You feel like whatever I did in the past, I feel like that didn't work out for you. Okay, you are just reassessing your life. You are reassessing this connection with this particular person. Judgment card is, for me, is the card of forgiveness, okay, and growth and reconciliation as well. After the forgiveness part is done, there will be reconciliation. There will be a new start in this connection. There will be a new start in this relationship, okay? This is what I am seeing. Let's clarify the judgment. Judgment basically is the card of forgiving each other and start a new chapter, start from scratch. This is this kind of, it is a rebirth kind of energy. Okay, so let's clarify the judgment as your current energy, what you are feeling right now, Aries. Hanged Man, ten of swords, and the four of wands. Yes, I'm telling you. So it is kind of, after lots of contemplation, after getting a very bad phase, this is kind of, you felt like this is a worst condition in this connection, or this is the worst condition of my life. So you were might be you were doing some kind of kundalini stuff, or meditation stuff, or you were going through some counseling or something. So basically you were feeling like you were backstabbed by somebody, you were betrayed by somebody, or it could also be possible that you felt, in general you felt low, in general you felt like this is the worst that could happen to me in this life. Okay, and now you are ready to forgive somebody, ready to start a brand new life with somebody and offer them something very very beautiful. This is I feel like you want to enjoy life with this particular person again, Aries. You are ready to forgive this person and move forward with this person in a beautiful relation, a beautiful committed relationship. Okay, four of wands is 1111 and it is a angel number, and it is a very very positive number to have a beginning with somebody. Okay, so let's see what their feelings for you are. Their feelings for you, their feelings for you, Aries. Page of wands. Okay, new feelings are developing in their mind. Okay, they are, they are coming towards you, they are coming to have a communication with you. They want to tell you something, and whatever they want to tell you, they are very very passionate about that particular thing. Okay, so basically right now they are feeling passionate about you. These are newfound feelings, and they are feeling like they were not feeling these feelings before. Okay, now they are feeling these emotions for you. Now they are ready to give you some kind of communication. There's communication coming towards you from this particular person, and this communication is going to make you happy because this is some kind of good news that they are going to share with you. Let's clarify the page of wands. What is the news that they are uh, trying to share with you, or as their feelings? Let's clarify the page of wands. The page of wands is basically a messenger who is coming towards you, because they're holding the wand. So this news is going to make you happy. This is a passionate news. This is a good news. Okay, this is a news of communication coming towards you. Happy news. Queen of cups, eight of wands, and the lover. See, I told you, this person is coming towards you with some kind of love offer. They want to communicate with you back and forth. They want to communicate with you, and they want to tell you that they love you. They are very very attracted to you. They feel like this is a connection, this is a blessed connection, although there is some kind of complications going on in this connection. I can see that. Okay, but this person wants you in their life because this is two of cups and this is the lovers card. Both these cards are telling me this person is very very emotionally attached to you. They are deeply in love with you, and all they want with you right now is communication. They are feeling the need to communicate this news with you, that they want you back in their life if you guys are not together, because I can also see that you are also in this energy of reconciliation, and you are also in this energy of giving them another chance, for giving them. Okay, there was something that happened, there was a conflicting situation, and that is now healing. That is a very good energy. Okay, there is happy news coming towards you, happy message coming towards you from this person's side, and that is news of happiness, that they love you, they want you, they want to give you some kind of beautiful offer from their side, because now I feel like they're healed from a situation. They're doing the self care thing, they are doing their own business. Now they are ready to have a commitment with you, ready to have a love relationship with you, and they want to communicate with you back and forth. This is beautiful energy Aries coming towards you. Okay, this is their feelings, what they want from you. Okay, you could be dealing with a Gemini. The lovers card is here. Okay, what are their feelings towards you, for you, Aries? Let's see their feelings. The Chariot coming towards you, moving towards you. Okay, after this healing thing is done from their side, now they're coming towards you, and they are very very determined to get you. They were very determined about you, that all they want right now in their life is you. Okay, they are very very determined to get you. They are very very determined to talk to you about something. Okay, let's clarify the Chariot. The Chariot is a very beautiful energy. The Chariot to me is like balancing a person's inner side, the yin and yang, and balancing their inner conflicts, and then moving forward, because nobody is free from conflicts. Everybody is in some kind of conflict regarding something. Okay, but this person is now very very sure about you. They're coming towards you. They want to come towards you. Okay, let's clarify the Chariot. Let's clarify the Chariot. The High Priestess, the Devil, and the Knight of Wands. I feel like they have listened to their intuition. You could also be dealing with a Capricorn. Okay, these are general readings, so don't generalize it. Just go with the flow. Okay, So it is like they have listened to their intuition. There was some kind of might be obsessive behavior that they hold like in the past, or there was some kind of restriction, or some kind of situation in which they were feeling restricted, they were feeling bounded. But now they are breaking the chains for you, breaking this devilish energy, and they are coming towards you. Knight of Wands is also coming, also telling me that they are coming towards you. But this is a non-committal energy. I don't feel like this guy or girl is going to commit to you till 21st of May. Although they're coming towards you, they are feeling a very, very strong pull towards you. They are feeling love towards you. They have lots of emotions for you, and they want to offer you something solid. Okay. But right now, this is non-committal energy. This is like listening to their intuition and breaking the chains of obsession or some kind of negativity or some kind of thing that was restricting them or blocking them from coming towards you. But they're breaking their chains and now they're coming towards you. Okay, this is the energy that I'm getting from this particular situation. They are coming towards you. They want to come towards you. This is what they want from you. They want to come towards you, breaking the chains of this restriction and this blockage. And they are carrying a lot of passionate energy, lot of passion for you. Yes, this is what is happening with you guys, Aries. Let's see what to expect from this person till the 21st of May. Okay, let's see this person's actions towards you till 21st of May. Seven of Wands. Okay. So I feel like this person is in deeply is deeply in love with you. All they want from you is to break the chains of the old pattern, and they want to come towards you, and they want to offer you a beautiful relationship, not commitment, but a relationship from their side that is very, very passionate and loving and lots of emotions. But from their side, I don't feel that they are going to reveal it to you. Okay, till then, till the 21st of May. Okay, so I feel like this person is taking their own stand or working on themselves, or they are just too adamant to come towards you. You will feel like this person is very adamant. This person is acting very weird, their behavior is not like a normal person do. Okay, so whatever it is, you are going to judge them. You are going to make you are going to feel like this person is not telling you exactly what they want. Although this is these are their feelings. This is what the hell is going on in their life, what they are feeling. So I don't feel like this person is coming towards you by 21st of May, and they are revealing the whole truth to you, that they have these feelings for you and they want this from you. Okay, might be they're just waiting on you to go towards them and talk to them and open up the conversation, or open up the communication that you guys were not having from a very long time, maybe regarding this connection. So let's clarify the Seven of Wands further. Okay, they will act a little defensive. Okay, they are basically wearing a mask, and they are telling you, might be they are not revealing their true feelings, their true face. Fine, let's clarify that Seven of Wands. Six of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, and the Tower. Yes. Whoops. So this person is, all they are trying to do is balancing. Okay, they are trying to balance things with you, and they were waiting on you. See, I told you this person is waiting on you to go towards them and talk to them first. Okay, might be there's some kind of ego problem in this person, and that is why they are not coming towards you. But this all this person wants behind this situation, Seven of Wands situation, behind this defensiveness, this is like they want balance. They are waiting on something to happen, and they will suddenly realize, or they will get the shock of their life, that they love you and they want you. Then after that shocking realization, or shocking news that is coming to that they realize, then I feel like they will come towards you. But till 21st, I feel like this person is not right now in this mode of revealing the whole truth to you. They are masking their feelings, they are masking their emotions, and not actually reacting to anything, might be. Okay, but behind the scenes, I told you, they love you, and they are now trusting their emotion. They want to come towards you with a very, very beautiful offer of maybe sexual energy, sexual feelings. But this person have genuine emotions for you too. This is not like the somebody who is like just trying to play with you. No, but by 21st of May, I don't feel like this person is coming towards you, and revealing their whole feelings for you, but they will have a sudden realization according to the cards. Okay, there will be something that will be shocking to them, and they will be in a defensive mode. Okay, they will, might be, they will be in a fighting mode. Okay, they're fighting with you because they love you. They have a realization about something, acting defensive, masking their feelings. That is what they are doing. Okay, so let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck for you guys till 21st of May. What is coming towards you? Okay, seduction. Yes, I'm telling you, this person is coming towards you with lots of, I feel, sexual feelings for the time being. Although they love you a lot, but right now they are very, very physically attracted towards you. Okay, and that is why might be they are very, very, acting might be weird to you. You are not, they're not actually, they are masking their true feelings for you, and might be they will come towards you and they will say, let's be friends with benefits, or let's just start a casual relationship or something. Okay, so seduction is coming towards you, Aries. This is the card, attraction, flirting, dating, hooking up, temptation, might be third party interference. I don't feel like party interference is there in this situation, but there is seduction coming towards you. Okay, yeah. So this is your reading till 21st of May, Aries. I hope this will give you some kind of insight, okay, regarding this person's emotions and feelings for you. So thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. This is Anjali Tarot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below if this story resonates with you. Thank you so much. Thank you.